Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce my group. We are from group Diabetic Foot Ulcers.
Happy watching.
Mr. A, a 50-year-old man, come to the emergency department on May 20, 2025 with desired concussiveness due to hyperglycemia, blood glucose 3 milligrams per deciliter. After 14 hours of intensive care, his blood glucose was stable at 150 milligrams per deciliter. He was diagnosed with diabetes 4, ulcer, complaining of weakness, some severe pain in the left foot wound which was reduced, also patch in head a bit other.
Excuse me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Azita and this is my college IFA. We are good nurse and the time will be taken care of you today from 7 a.m. to 14 p.m. Is that your time and date of birth?
Yes, nurse. My name is Andi and I was born in May 5, 1980. Yes, Mr. Andi. How are you today? What are your complaints today? I feel very weak, nurse, and the wound on my left leg is very painful. When touch the wound, also push and has a very unpleasant odor. Yes, sir. We will examine your wound further. Are there any other complaints, sir? No more, nurse.
Ma'am, I want to ask if you have ever had a fever or chills while being treated here?
My husband never at work. And chills will be treat is this bed. I noticed that the one on my husband left leg had will done and start to turn red and head start to purpose pulse.
Okay, ma'am. Before we treat your wound, my college will first conduct a vital sign measurement.
After the patient agreed to the action, Nurse Eva immediately carried out the vital sign measurement and continued the action of observing the wound on Mr. Andi. Mr. Andi left leg directed the patient to undergo a lab and radiology examination.
Excuse me, sir. Can I check your vital sign?
Okay, nurse.
A few minutes later,
Okay, sir. The vital sign examination is okay, sir. Your blood pressure is currently 149/80. The pulse is 75 per minute. The temperature is 36 degrees Celsius and the oxygen saturation is 98%. The wounds on your left foot show redness, swelling, and a lump containing pus. So our observation result indicate that you are suffering from diabetic foot ulcers.
This is the result of your lab and radiology examination.
laboratory results showed hemoglobin 8.2 grams per deciliter, leukocyte 18.67 times 10 per cubic milliliter, glucose 270 milligrams per deciliter, and HbA1c 9.90%. Radiological examination confirmed astromegalytis and gangrenomas solubilities in her lymph node.
Will that endanger my husband's life?
It could be very dangerous if it is treated too late because your wound is already in the infection category. But you don't need to worry. We will immediately handle it and take preventive measure against infection.
Okay, thank you, nurse.
Okay, encouraged and I will go back to the treatment room. Please, Mr. Andy, rest again and later, if you need help, you can call me directly in the nurse room over there. Thank you, nurse.
Based on the assessment that the nurses identified the main nursing problems, namely impaired skin or tissue integrity.
Nurse Aziza, we need to discuss the nursing problem suffered by Mr. Andy.
Yes, that's right. We have to make sure the skin integrity is maintained and prevent further infection.
That's right. Severe infection with signs of abscess and osteomyelitis can also worsen this condition. So we have to intervene immediately.
Mr. Andy also experienced severe pain due to wound on his feet. Will that also has to be managed properly so that the patient feels more comfortable.
Okay, then now we make a nursing plan that will be carried out on the patient, then explain to the patient and his family about the problems he is experiencing and what action plan we will provide.
Treatment room.
Excuse me, sir, ma'am. Mr. Andy is experiencing a skin or tissue problem due to diabetic foot ulcers. This happens when the blood sugar damage blood vessel and nerves, reduction blood flow, especially to the feet, causing serious wound and slow healing.
So, what I can to do help the healing process at home later.
Don't worry, ma'am. We nurse here will do the best treatment for healing wounds on the feet, and we will also explain to you to help your healing process when you get home later.
What about the pain, nurse? Because you always complain of the pain in the one on your feet.
Yes, ma'am. For that, we will also help you with some techniques that can help you feel more comfortable. But if you are still bothered by the pain, we will give you painkillers.
Okay, thank you, nurse. Thank you, nurse, for your explanation, and I am understanding. I hopeful my husband will get better soon.
Yes, you're welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am, sir, do you understand or is there anything else you want to ask?
No more, nurse.
Okay, ma'am. If you need something or if you want to ask something,